kind of a short street called Escada do Coxo, and we're overlooking this a little bit, and we're going to get a little context. So basically what we're going to do is kind of go into a little bit and just also go up it a little bit and target it as our focus street for this particular video and what's around it. So okay, it's Escada do Coxo in Taipa village. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so here we are at Escada do Coxo. I'm going to try to do a little bit of detail. You can definitely see the detail of the lighthouses right here. And they go all the way up. There's different lighthouses as well. So let me just kind of focus on that real quick. We're also going to focus on the artwork. So yeah, this is just the name of the stairs. And actually this is kind of a nice, beautiful painted building. And when it wasn't painted, it didn't quite have the same effect, right? But of course now it is painted. We're just going to go up to the top of the stairs. And then you can see some security right over here. And I'm not sure exactly what that is, but then this is all one big giant tourist area. So that's the Escada do Coxo. And it's kind of a cool little, I think there's also a rooftop as well there. Okay, so that's our focus, but we're gonna walk down briefly. I think that one they have like a restaurant as well. And then this one is a rooftop. So you can go inside and go up to that spot. And I think you can go up there too, I think. Escada do Coxo. So we're kind of on this Calzada de Cortel. Not surprised they're going straight. Usually they turn right here. But I guess he's gonna park there, I guess. And we have all this kind of tourist stuff too. That giant building, that one is very popular. And I don't know if you watched my other video where I was talking about like what difference a paint job does. It's like this is all painted all the way down. And then I'm going to show you another spot too. So the stairs is right around on the other side of that. And then this street right here, those buildings were not painted, and there was not much of them that would come over. But they painted them all, and they put all these beautiful businesses here, and they painted this one as well, and now it's like kind of a hot spot for photography. So yeah, pretty cool space. And it says hello Macau right there. And I think people might even be lining up for pictures a little bit as well. Some nice details also in all the artwork up here as well. And that whole thing, there's 3 buildings and a rooftop up there as well. That's a nice dog. Hello. So and then there's I don't know that background of that one, but behind that is the Galaxy Casino. And our stairwell was right around the corner, so I think what we're gonna do is I guess we'll just go down. I think they got a big sound stage getting set up. Got a big truck. And so Escada do Coxo was our focus here. So we're just gonna come back, and then we're gonna go in and meander a little bit, and then we'll end this particular video. But since our stairs was the focus, we'll go back. Look at all those lines everywhere. So our stairwell was right there. Escada do Coxo. Right there. So now you can kind of see it in a different context, right? There's people filming, and it's actually a nice photogenic spot. Nice Chinese characters right there too. There's a guy that stencils all the Chinese characters that look like that design, and did them all for neon as well. But yeah, that's nice 2 characters right there in yellow. Okay, so we're gonna head into these little alleyways. And I just wanted to share with you that Taipa village has tons of these little alleyways, so they're right across from that stairs. And we could meander in all these as well. And I will a little bit, but I'm just gonna meander a little bit in general, without a specific focus. But now we're back at those stairs as well. And we got tons of people everywhere in here. We're gonna try to go this way. Then we got more of this type of village stuff. That's Kunyagai. And that's Pedagos. There's got a Starbucks right in here, and then this little area has tons of cool stuff to see everywhere. And this whole area is called Taipa Village. So if we walk down a little bit, you'll see like this kind of stuff, pork chop bun, different restaurants, Andrea's Bistro. And then let's just kind of just poke the camera in a little bit. It's constantly changing too. They were doing construction here during COVID, and now they got some different places. That's new, the Lux. Then you have all these little alleyways everywhere. I like how the Lux puts it in like a Portuguese sign. Okay. So yeah, if we kept on meandering around, we could meander into all this stuff everywhere around in here. I think we'll just kind of show you this another alley right here too. We got Barcelona, and then there's little alleyways all the way in there, so we can go meander all the way down in that space. All the different directions actually. So let me see if we can get through that. Actually kind of a cool shot. And then we got more of these alleys. So this Mercadores goes all the way down. That's used to be called Streets of the Merchants. And you can see Galaxy Casino right there as well. My Messy Kitchen, Barcelona, right there. And you also have a rooftop at the top as well. And we're just gonna kind of meander, so actually we're gonna meander a certain location, but let's see. We're gonna meander around like this. And then go down across. They used to have like a little trio electrical bus in here as well, but that's all gone now. Rooftop up there as well. So we're basically gonna meander into Kunyagai. Which is this big street right here. And then we're gonna probably end the video shortly. Yeah, this one is always popular with tourists. So yeah, so basically we started out the stairs. Hello. Started out the stairs. And then we kind of ended up at Kunyagai, which is kind of the main tourist spot. So we're just going to navigate out of here. It's a nice light right there. And then we're going to end this video. So pretty cool. Okay. So we did the stairs, which was all the way down. So that was basically like if you went all the way straight down, you'd go to those stairs. You see Venetian Casino way up there as well. And with that note, we are going to end this video. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.